September 15, 2021, Officer Vincent Shields reported to COPA that he and his partner, Officer Noah Ball, were conducting traffic enforcement with support from other officers. They observed a Hyundai Elantra on South Kilpatrick Avenue failing to signal when pulling out and not coming to a complete stop at an intersection. The driver also wasn't wearing a seat belt. Officers Shields and Ball decided to follow the Elantra.
Park it!
Police did, bro. Police did.
Don't move anything.
What?
Don't move anything.
Adams Kilborn.
Hey, stay here. They went north. They ran north.
Nail black, all purple. Nail black, all purple.
Slowly step out. Get off the car. Step out. That's fine. That's fine. Put in park. Step out, my man. You guys are all right? You guys not hurt? Ma'am, come to the rear. Come right here.
Sorry, somewhere in the north alley, Adams Kilborn.
How old are you guys? 16? 19? Okay, do you have IDs?
No, I got my ID on me.
Okay.
Jackson and Colmar, and that's 1164 David. Okay, where's the other half? Somewhere else. Okay, Adams and Kilborn north. Nail black, all purple. Adams and Kilborn, nail black, all purple. Still looking for one.
1161 boy, I'm just south of Jackson with 2 detained from the vehicle.
Okay, 61 boy, you're just south of Jackson. Okay. Okay, you're coming in.
Don't. Stay over here by the car. Okay. You guys aren't hurt, right? Okay.
Who shot? The police?
I have no clue.
Why y'all shoot?
Dude, I was all the way back there. I got no clue for you, my man. That's fine. If you say that, that's fine. I just don't know what.
Y'all shot for no reason.
Hey, stay with them. Stay with them right now. The kid ran from this car. There's the casing, okay? I'm gonna go secure these. I was all the way over here. I have no clue, ma'am.
You have an open key. Whoever knows who that is, text him and tell him to get off the air. Alright, we're going to start an ambulance rolling towards Adams and Kilborn in the meantime. Who that is? And if you can find who he is, call him and let him know they're cutting out the zone during a 10-1. Alright, whoever that was, unit, you're cutting each other out.
Yeah, if you don't mind staying back there, please.
South on Kilborn. Squad, I got the showcase right here.
There's another one right over there.
I don't know, they got somebody running. Here's showcase right here. You?
There's that one.
No.
Only one went off. There's another one back there.
So was it?
I thought I heard
one.
I thought I heard one. I'm sure I heard one, but it could have been at the same time.
Simultaneous.
So,
It had to be
I have no idea. Hey, Zeman. You want to go through this or just leave it?
Guy go. We have black approval. Where'd he go?
No idea, man. I was in the back.
Wait.
Okay, we need Jackson shut down. Things coming
Where are your IDs? You don't have IDs?
I lost my ID. I was supposed to go take the gas.
Okay, do you mind? Write down, give your information to this officer, okay? There's one and there's one over there, so. Yeah. He was driver, she's passenger, so I got them here.
So it should be 11614. Is there a weapon?
Check the driver's side.
I need traffic shutdown on Jackson from
There's a phone.
Kilpatrick Ave. Block the street off.
Make sure there's nothing in it. No, this is the car. There's one there, and there's one back there. That one's not. That's brass. Yes, male driver, female front passenger. He continued northbound. Hey, Sarge, I got you. So, the vehicle, we're right behind them.
Okay.
They stop, guys bail out.
So you got crime scene?
Round goes off, they ran northbound. All three. I stayed with car with the
Okay, so
where
they
they came
fire
from.
out of the car.